What's up, guys? It's Robert here. We're gonna try something. My safe's getting a little full. I've added some stuff lately. I need a little more room. We have pushed and sold the Gun Storage Solutions product rifle rods for years. I'm gonna put it to work and see how it does actually in my safe. I've got my kits. We've got some rods, some fabric, got the top shelf, got my staple gun. Give her a turn real quick, see what I'm working with. I want you to see what it looks like now. All right, not a whole lot of room. I've actually got one or two that I can't even put in here right now. So I'm gonna give it a whirl, see if I can get this done, and see the final product. Here we go. All right, quick change. I am doing this a little different than the manufacturer recommends in the fact that I'm leaving my top shelf, right? So, because I've got a couple that were longer. Now they have great examples on the website and tutorials on how they go about doing that, but looky here. You see I got all these big black squares? Those are the multi-mag. I use these in other purposes as well. It's a very, very strong earth magnet. I use this like under my desk. There's a picture right there, there you go. I use it like that at multiple offices when I'm there so we can put up safely, have it out of the way. But went ahead and mounted those on the inside of the cutout that Liberty has. This happens to be a Liberty. So that they use there, so I could actually magnet two right there, two of my taller ones that stick up, right? So let's keep going. Okay, so we put our Velcro underneath our top shelf, and then we went ahead and pulled all the weapons out so that we can lay them out and get everybody ready to get a rod put in them, start sanding them up, see how we can get them stacked. Just a quick glance. Gang's all here. Everybody's ready to go. And we're gonna see if we can get everybody in. We're gonna see if I can even get the sword back in. And of course, no BB gun. Let's go. No, gang, we did it. We used the rifle rods, adjusted, made plenty of room, added gun, didn't have in there. We added some more products like the magnets that we talked about. We've got their magazine holders, which I didn't talk about, but if you look there, I've got the magazines all set up there for the 223, 5.56 and 300 blackout, same thing on that side. Over here, we've got some pistol magazines, right? So big shout out to Rifle Rods for helping us get the safe here at our house a little more functional and everything works as it should. And I appreciate you guys checking it out. These products are on our website, so check it out. Let me know if you have any questions. Share your pictures and comments if you use these products. Thanks.